Interesting facts about woodpeckers. Woodpeckers usually prefer dead trees. A group of woodpeckers is called a descent. Woodpeckers don't get headaches. Woodpeckers have really long tongues. Sometimes woodpeckers feed at hummingbird feeders. Woodpeckers don't eat wood. Woodpeckers don't peck at night. Acorn woodpeckers have an advanced social system. Pileated woodpeckers are the largest woodpeckers in North America. Woodpeckers have really long tongues.